Welcome to part 2 of my Kashmir vlog. In part 1, I took you guys around Srinagar, the Shikara ride, and our trip to Doodh Patri, which believe me not is prettier than Switzerland. Today we're off to Sonmarg Valley and then Pahalgam. Welcome to day 3 of this vlog, and we are on our way to Sonmarg and stopped by this really pretty site. We're very close to it, just 10 kilometers away. It took us about 2 hours to get from Srinagar to here. So once we reached the Sonmarg Valley, we decided to go up to the Thajavas Glacier. So we're going up to the glacier on the horses, of course. His name is Sundar. Say hi, guys. The view here is absolutely gorgeous. So we've taken a pit stop here. But we're gonna go higher up to the glacier. The horse ride is a little hectic. It's kind of scary, but it's fun. The views are to die for. Just stay tuned, guys, because if you're planning a visit to Kashmir, and I 100% recommend that you do, we are here for 4 nights, but I highly suggest that you should come here for at least a week. There's so many things to see and so much to do here. But here's Sonmarg for you guys. So we came a little higher up from there. We came over here. But if I had to recommend, I think it's the lower area. We were I showed you guys earlier that I think that's more than enough. You don't want to come all the way up. But if you are a little adventurous, highly recommend that you can come up. The area is a little rocky, as you guys can see, so if you're coming on a horse, it feels a little scary because the horse does go all haywire, but it's fun and it's obviously safe. We're just walking around here a little bit. You can also go higher up if you like on the horses, but our bums are sore AF, so we've just gotten off and we're just going to walk around a little bit. How's the horse ride, guys?
We spoiled it. Yes, not taking us ahead. We should be there, but you stopped us here.
Balls. We are heading back now. We're just walking on foot this time because I think it's a lot more comfortable that way. But yeah, we're walking for a little bit on foot and then maybe we'll get on the horses again. By the way, guys, Bajrangi Bhaijan was shot here. They changed this area into the border, the Pakistan-India border, and this is what it looks like. पानी में नहीं जाना मुझे. और भैया जो है ये he was also in Bajrangi Bhaijan. आप भी पिक्चर में थे?
हाँ, पूरा बजरंगी भाईजान. यहाँ के हिंदुस्तान का बॉर्डर, वहाँ पाकिस्तान का. वहाँ से सलमान खान आ रहा था.
We're now heading back to Pahalgam. It's going to take another 3 hours. We just stopped here to eat something. The food is actually really nice here, so if you ever do come, do stop by this place. The food is actually really good, and they do have some pretty good chocolates and chips and biscuits and stuff like that. Welcome to day 4 of the vlog. We have reached Pahalgam. We reached last night and my tailbone is so screwed up because of the horses. I literally cannot even sit. But Pahalgam is really pretty. We will be going to a couple of places. We are going to go to Betab Valley. The movie Betab was shot there. That's why it's called Betab Valley. Then we're going to go to Aru Valley. And then we're going to trek up to this place called Baisaran, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. That place I think is called Mini Switzerland. That's what the internet says. But let's see. This is the hotel that I'm staying in. And this is the view from here. I'm quickly going to show you guys. We have reached Aru Valley. It was about a 15-20 minute drive from the hotel. We chilled here for an hour or so and then left for Chandanwadi, which honestly wasn't that great. Only the drive up till there was fun, and then we finally went to Betab Valley, which was extremely beautiful. So we decided not to go for the trek up to Baisaran, although it's very pretty and it's highly recommended. But everyone was saying to take the ponies because it's so much easier, the horses. But I definitely cannot sit on one again, and it's also started raining, so we couldn't hike back. We went to Chandanwadi instead, which honestly wasn't that great. I mean, it is great in winters, but not as much in summer. So because we went there was lesser time for us to trek to trek up to Baisaran as well, and we're not like regular trekkers, so maybe it wasn't the best thing to do. So we're just roaming around in Pahalgam now. We're going down to the market. It's a pretty small town. The view here is pretty much like this throughout. We're probably gonna go sit by the river in a garden or something and chill for a bit. We have come to a park here. The board outside here said that this is the Fragrance Park, but the Google Maps said something else. So I'm not really sure what this was called, but we absolutely loved it here and took hundreds of photos. After which we went to a really popular cafe called Log Inn, and the food here was pretty good. I loved the hot chocolate. We also visited a cozy little bookstore next door in the Pahalgam hotel, and the books here legit brought back all my school time memories. So I am back in the hotel. We pretty much just roamed around Pahalgam. It's a very beautiful place. Trust me, Kashmir is literally heaven on earth. We did have dinner at this really nice cafe called Paradise, and I highly recommend that if you are coming to Pahalgam, you have a meal there, because honestly I think it was the best meals I've had in this entire trip. I think that's about it. I am going to be heading back to Delhi tomorrow. We have a flight in the afternoon around 1:30. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog a lot. I'm not used to doing this, travel vlogging, so it is a little difficult for me, but do let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed it, and I do hope I get to travel a lot more so I get used to making such videos for you guys. As usual, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.